going by. That scoop, because of its design, produced more thrust than it produced drag, and it was a major factor in why it was so fast. The Spitfire would have been 25 miles an hour faster with the same scoop design. Okay, I think it's a dirty flyby. Let's all give them a good wave, folks. Come on, get them arms waving. Yeah, look at that. A tribute indeed to the B-51 Mustangs. Brilliant. Try this one. Come on, give him a good wave. You just do not get demonstrations like this at other air shows. Only with the LMA air shows. He could be coming back again, you know, it could be that wave. If he comes back again, wave everything you got. Take your trousers off and wave your trousers, anything. Yeah, he's coming back again. Can't believe it. Here we go. Come on, folks, start waving. Quick. Here he comes. He's impressed. I'm impressed. And another one, come on, give him a wave! Come on, he might come back again! Yeah, look at that! Jesus Christ!
He's fucking nuts! Nick
And that was definitely the last one. Here we go, the Cub folks, left, right. This is one of Taffy Smith's very earliest aeroplanes, I do believe. This is another unscheduled full-size activity for you. Hope you think you've got value for money today. Wave to the Cub folks. As used by the US Army, the Army Air Force, the 8th Air Force, for light liaison aircraft, communications, etc., etc. But Taffy, you've done us proud today, and that could well be the final display of Darling Anne before she goes to America. She's definitely been sold, I do believe. Okay, we've now got back to the real aircraft, the big models. And then I'm looking at the return of the cock. So I think it's going to be a fast run to start with. You ready with your cameras? Yeah, here he goes, he's back in there. Look at that shot now. Look at the populace, we'll look at village, he'll have a lovely view. I've got a cracking shot in my viewfinder here, you ready? And once again, many thanks to our brothers. Number one sponsor for the full time. So here she comes, the Mark 9. Give her a good wave, folks. Come on, give him a good wave.